Class 7. Today we will study the grammar gate book. In this we will study the lesson direct indirect speech. Okay. In this we will discuss the exercise related to the direct and indirect speech which we studied in the last turn. So now moving to exercise number 8, change the following into the reported speech. Reported speech means indirect speech. Ravi said, I am free. So you see that Ravi said, and this is I am free. Ravi said is the reporting part, and I am free is the reported part. So Ravi is the noun, said is the verb, and I am free is the reported part. So now how to change this direct speech into indirect speech? So Ravi said, you know that when you remove comma, inverted comma, that is written. So Ravi said that. Now I is the first person singular, so it will change according to the subject of the reporting part. What is the subject? Ravi. It is third person singular, so I will be changed into he. Am free. Am is in present, simple present tense changes to the simple past. So I am free will be changed into he was free. Likewise, second sentence. She said, I am reading an interesting book. So she said, comma inverted comma, she said that. No, she said that. She. I am will change into I again according to the subject. She was. I am present tense change into past tense. Was reading an interesting book. I have done my homework already, he said. So this is the reporting part and this is the reported part. So he said that he had, it is I have, it will be changed into he had. Here you can see the rule. Present perfect changes to the past perfect. I have, she had. So he said that he had done his homework already. My will change to his. Homework already. Now, I paid rupees 75 for the basket, she said to us. So this is the reporting part. She said to always change into told, and said change into that. So she told us that I, according to the subject, that she had paid for the, she had paid for the basket. Okay. Now, she said, I forgot to post the letter. So she said that. She said that she had forgotten. I forgot means it changed into, again I told you that present simple past change into past perfect and present perfect change into past perfect. So present perfect change into past perfect. So she told us that she had paid for the basket. She had paid rupees 75 for the basket. Now she said, I forgot to post the letter. She said that she had forgotten to post the letter. This sentence in simple. Here see. Present perfect, it will change into past perfect. So that is why she had paid, she had forgotten to post the letter. I have bought jeans, Anand said. Anand said that, again comma inverted comma removed, that I have will change into he had. He had bought jeans. I like orange juice, she said. So she said I will be changing according to subject. She liked orange juice. Next, question number 8. I was reading all afternoon, he said. He said that he said that he had been reading all afternoon. I was reading. Is changed into I was reading changed into he had been reading all afternoon. My uncle may come tomorrow, he said to me. He told me that his uncle might come. May change into might, because the past form of may is might. Come the next day. I have just bought the tickets, he said. He said that he had, have changed into had, just bought the tickets. I will meet you again, he said to me. He told me, said to change into told me that he would. I change according to the subject he would. It is I will, it will change into he would meet you. Subject second person change according to object. Object is me. So he would meet me again. Number 12 sentence. I may see you again this evening, I said to her. I told her, said to change into told her, that I might, may change into might, see you again. Second person change according to object her. Again this change into that evening. My grandfather will be 60 tomorrow, she said 3 days ago. She said that her grandfather will change into would. Past form of will is would. Be 60 tomorrow. Tomorrow change into the next day. You have seen the rule that tomorrow change into the next day. Now, question number 14. My grandfather will be 60 tomorrow, she said this morning. She said that her grandfather would be 60 tomorrow. We saw the exhibition 3 days ago, she said. She said that they had. We is first person plural, change according to the subject. So they had seen the exhibition 3 days ago. I didn't see Mohan at the theatre, she said. I said that I change according to the subject, he hadn't seen Mohan at the theatre. So this was your exercise, page number 83. Now few questions are remaining in this exercise. I have lost the key, he said. He said that he had lost the key. Suresh said she is coming tomorrow. Suresh said that she was, present change into past, was coming the next day. Tomorrow change into the next day. I don't know his phone number, she said. She said that she didn't know his phone number. The father has gone out, said the boy. The father said that his father had gone out. The boy said that his father, my change into his. Father has changed into had gone out. So this was the exercise, page number 83.